Hey friends, it's Christine here from Chalk Couture, and what a wonderful time of year to give yourself the best gift of all, a brand new business adventure with Chalk Couture. And boy, have we got an amazing deal when you join December 1st, 2019 through January 31st, 2020. Let me show you what you get when you start your creative new adventure with Chalk Couture as a designer. Our starter kit is packed with everything that you need to succeed on your own high-end DIY home decor business, including all kinds of business supplies, our fantastic catalog, thank you cards, a startup guide. You'll also get the fabulous Chalk Couture apron, plus 5 glorious colors of pastes, just perfect for the winter, but also happy enough for spring. Now, the real sweetheart here is 3 different great surfaces. Our classic Aiden board, which is magnetic and beautifully easy to reuse, our best-selling board and base, as well as a set of 12 chalkable chips. These are the best demo surface ever. Now let's look at the transfers that you get in your starter kit. 7 glorious designs, including 2 Chalk Couture logos, brands, taglines, that sort of thing. Plus, you'll also get our darling February 14th, perfect for Valentine's Day, as well as Sprinkled with Love. These are going to go great on these minis, as well as Live Simply, Too Cold to Care, and of course, we always give you one transfer that I can't show you because it changes every month. It's our exclusive Club Couture B-size transfer, and the transfer of the month will be included in your kit when you order. But this month, you will also receive a bonus just through January 31st. That's what makes this kit an even better screaming deal. You will get the Be Fabulous B-size transfer and the Oh Snap B-size transfer. And you can get both of these exclusive designs when you join as our newest designer. That brings the total value of this kit to $280 US and about 365 Canadian. What an amazing deal. Of course, the best deal of all is that you get to join the hottest trend in the home decor revolution, Chalk Couture. Do not delay. Start your new business today with Chalk Couture.